Hello, Coco. Hello. So, what you doing on that swing? He's like, hello. Huge sun face. Come back. Coco. Oh, nice. Okay. Try to get my camera in the cage. Yay. Look at that face. So I'm gonna try to swing him. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Go, 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 go. Whoa, Coco, he almost fell. It's that, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look. Hello. Okay, bye everybody. Hold on, I need to show you something too. Okay guys, guess which one is my horse in the stable. So I got these two horses. What are you doing? So, is this one my horse? 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 And is this one my horse? This one we call the Zoni because it is from Animal Jam, but we call it the Zoni because we put this light on it and then it little color changes. We also have a Lynx one, but I don't know where it is now. So, yeah, call this one the Zoni from Star State. We call this one the Lusitano, even if it's from Spirit. We call this one, I don't know what we call this one, but I think we would call it the occultique. It's their stable. We would call this one the Dwarvic Warm Blood. This one, I think I would call the old starter horse. And guys, if you ever guessed that this was my horse, it is. I have a white horse in Star Stable, white starter horse. And I'm going to be a star rider on Sunday. It's going to be awesome because, you know, being a star rider is like the best. And guess which is my sister horse? Which one? No, it's not that one. I'm just doing that. So which one, guys? Is it this one? Is it this one? Guys, I think you know which one it is. Dun! It's this one. Just saying. So, I just love this one. It's so cute, though. Like, it's fun playing with. See, we have another foal, and then we have another horse that's Playmobil, but we just wanted to put all these kind of horses. What is my sister doing? Anyway, so yeah, she has a flat nose. She's really nice. She's like the new drafters. I mean, the new color changers in Star Stable. She's like the pink one because she has the pink hoofs and the tail and the hair. Yeah, it's really cool. You can move her head too, but see? Because I can't really do it because I'm holding it with like one hand. Not my camera, but yo, I just love the Zoni so much. So cute, and I love using it. So guys, that is all my horses. So just a reminder, so guys, just a reminder, I think this is the Lusitano. Yes, it's the brown Lusitano. See, it looks like a Mustang. It might be the Mustang, the brown Mustang or a Lusitano, but I say it's a Lusitano because Lusitanos are dressage, and it's not Frisian because it doesn't have that curly hair. The tail's also styled. So, does any of you guys remember? This is the warm blood, Dwarvic warm blood. this is the what is it? Oh yeah, I just remember that, guys. This is a called teak. So that's a called teak. Oh yeah. This is the Zoni. Of course, you guys all know. And this is this is the old Dwarvic Warmblood, the old one. Kind of looks like the Lusitano, the buckskin Lusitano. And this is the Dwarvic Warmblood, the new one that arrived at least 3 years ago. Yeah. And this is Dwarvic Warmblood. Yeah, just kind of dressage. And that's all of my horse collections. Now, guys, if you mind, I'm going to turn the camera over. So, guys, I turn the camera over now. Look at it. I realize it's better this way, but look at all of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can count it a better way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's all. So I have 7 horses, including 2 more. So that is. So that is all my horses that I play with mostly. This one is just so adorable. I just found it yesterday. So I'm like, okay, I should need to use this for the game we're playing. So bye, everybody. Hold on. Bye, everybody.